Imagine unrolling a giant world map on your screen. I'm tapping 5 tiny powerhouses lighting up the richest per person list for 2025. But here's the twist. Nominal GDP per capita. GDP adjusted for purchasing power, aka PPP. First stop, Luxembourg. Small country, huge wallets, a powerhouse financial sector, a cross-border workforce. On many lists, Luxembourg takes the crown in nominal terms. Slide southeast to Singapore, a laser-focused business hub, a trade magnet, a logistics beast, high incomes, high efficiency, a policy environment built for global deals. Whether you check nominal or PPP, Singapore sits right at the summit. Over to Ireland. Don't let the size fool you. Massive multinationals book big profits here. Tech and pharma fueled rocket. Though remember, some of that GDP is from global firms headquartered there. Swing to the Gulf, Qatar. Energy riches, natural gas especially, have supercharged incomes. In PPP terms, Qatar often surges near the top. Hop to Macau. It's the gaming and tourism capital of Asia. When travel booms, Macau's per capita numbers can spike fast. So what's the difference between nominal and PPP? Nominal is measured in current dollars. Great for a quick apples-to-apples snapshot. PPP adjusts for what your money actually buys locally, more about day-to-day spending power. Depending on which lens you use, the leaderboard can shuffle. Zooming back out, here's the 2025 rich list heat map I just traced. Luxembourg, Singapore, Ireland, Qatar, and Macau. Different engines, finance, trade, multinationals, energy, tourism. One shared theme, small places, big leverage. If you want me to break down how your country stacks up on nominal versus PPP and what that means for real life, drop it in the comments. I'll pin a follow-up with a custom mini-map.